My name is Deanne Wood. You may see it here as Wood Cluse, but I just go by Wood. And I own a business uptown next to Jody's Hometown Boutique, across from the bridal store, called ChrysalisHHC Healing Center. Before August, we were known as Cluse Reflexology and Massage. We have rebranded, which is why I am here to talk to you guys. So, we are a massage business, and when you think of massage, what is some of the first things that come to your mind?
Spa.
A spa. What else?
Massages.
Yep, massages. What else?
Relaxation.
Yeah, relaxation. Those are all incredibly true statements. But I wanted to introduce you to what ChrysalisHHC Healing Center is. We do massage. We do deep tissue massage. We also do reflexology, which is an ancient practice working with feet. And there are 7,400 nerve endings that go from your brain to your feet. And each one of those is associated with a body part or function. And by working the feet, we can use acupressure, acupuncture type points to readjust the body and how it works. So we have reflexology, we have deep tissue, we have massage. We have orthopedic/sports. How many people here are in sports? You guys work with athletic trainers? Yeah. Athletic trainers and orthopedic sports massage therapists do this almost the same exact job. So if you ever wanted to become a sports massage therapist, you can go to work at places like mine. You can go to colleges. We actually currently work with all of the DMAC athletes. They come to our place and we keep them fit and ready to work in their sports. We take care of that. So there's a whole sports side of massage. We do cupping. Cupping is also an ancient Chinese form of therapy. I do not know why my brain's not
You're doing
working
great.
this morning. It's where you put cups on the skin and you use suction, and it suctions the skin up into the cup. And it separates the skin from the muscle, and it also breaks some capillaries in the skin, which sends a signal to your brain saying there's a problem in this area. We need the body to send red blood cells, white blood cells, oxygen, and everything it needs to heal that area. So we can become very specific with healing people's bodies. We do craniosacral, where I work with the cerebral fluid in your brain, the spinal fluid in your spine, and I can manipulate all of the cranial bones in your skull. We have yoga, and we also have continuing education classes. Continuing education classes are going to be classes that are going to be held for massage therapists, so they can get certification and more schooling so they can renew their certifications. And then we're also going to be holding classes for the general population. So the general population can, like you guys, you could all come to the classes. We're going to have classes on breath work, how to cut sugar out of your body, how to meditate. We're going to have classes on sleep, so you can do and change things and learn how your body reacts to like blue light, and when you should and shouldn't look at your phone or tablets or things like that at night, because they can keep you awake. So those are going to be our general education classes as well. So our business, my business, has gone from just a spa to an actual healing center where people can come and we take care of them. 90% of the people that come into our clinic, they come into our clinic because they have something that's wrong. They have an ailment, they have something hurting, their knees hurt, their back hurts, they have chronic pain somewhere. And we help them take care of that in a more alternative, holistic manner. So with that being said, one of the projects that I want to do this year is I want to start advertising with the Boone Theater. And so with the movie advertisement, I'm looking to get a digital slide presentation. Each slide will be shown for 5 to 6 seconds each. So I need 5 to 6 slides. And I will be giving you more information on all of these topics. And then I would like to see a main page that gives our name, phone number, address, so forth. And then consecutive slides giving people information on what we do. Just in the few minutes that I've talked to you, we went from a spa, relaxation, and massage to there's a whole different view of what we do now, right? And that's what we need to portray to the public, is I need to get it out there that we have something more than just coming and laying on a table and getting a relaxation massage. The other thing that needs to be established is our hours. We used to only work from 9 to 5, and now I have 3 more therapists. So we have 4 massage therapists, and we have an energy healer. And so our hours are now from 9 to 9, and Saturdays from 9 to 5. So it's very important that people also start to learn that there's more than just me. And so you guys know now, my general manager is my son. And he's a big dude, he's 6'6", and he's one of my leading reflexologists and one of my leading massage therapists. So it's a mother-son business, which is super cool. But it was just the 2 of us, and now people need to know that there are 5 of us working, and we have these extended hours. So we just really need to start getting that information out to the public to start, so they can start going, oh, yeah, I can get in. Oh, I can go online. We do have online booking, or they can call. So the movie advertisement is the main thing. Another project that I would love to see are what we call rack cards, which are cards like this. They give information front and back on all of the, on certain subjects. A lot of people don't know what cupping is. I want a rack card for that. So when they come in and they go, oh, well, it's cupping, we can give them a card. This is one that's on carpal tunnel syndrome, and this one is on reflexology and plantar fasciitis. We're almost out of these because we give them out. And so I would like to have rack cards for reflexology, cupping, energy healing, and cranial sacral work. And then the last thing that I would like to see worked on is a template for a bi-monthly newsletter. Since there's no advertising with newspapers anymore, because there's no newspapers, there's really only an avenue for social media. Well, not everybody uses social media. Don't be taken back by that, guys. I know you all are on it, and that's great, but a lot of people are not. So the only other option that I'm having is to come out with this bi-monthly newsletter where we can go in and put in information on new techniques, or information on the classes that are being offered, or information that needs to get out to the public. And then that trifold is going to be, I'd like it to be a trifold newsletter. And then we're going to take it around to different places like the hospitals and doctors' offices and restaurants and anywhere people go, sit down, and maybe have to wait for a while, where they can grab one, take one, read it, and take it with them. So those are the needs that I have for Chrysalis Holistic Healing Center. Do y'all have any questions? Yes, ma'am.
When would you want this done?
Okay, good question. I meant to tell you. The movie advertisement would be the one thing that I would like to have done first and foremost, and I'd really like to see that be done by mid-October to the end of October. I'm hoping to have it start in the movie theaters in November. And this advertisement for the movie theater is gonna run a year. And it's going to be running every single showing of every movie that they have. So we want it to be something that's not, hey, it's Halloween, you know? It needs to be designed to be presented for an entire year. Does that answer your question?
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone else? Yes, ma'am.
How often would we meet with you?
I would like to see you meet with me at least once, if not twice a week, until the advertisement is done, but at least once a week. Is that a good average?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
And if you come over during your lunch hour, I do provide lunches, so yay. This is
Little
the second time.
incentive
Yeah.
there.
This is the second time I've used the Edge program with you guys. I love working with you guys. And so it's a lot of fun. And it is a very quiet, zen place to come and work. It is very quiet. And there's also, with permission from your parents, if you guys wanted to try one of the modalities that we offer, we would get that in check with you guys. So you can at least experience what a massage is, or what reflexology is, or what cupping is, or what athletic massage is. It gives you an idea, a better idea when you're trying to do advertising as well. But that can be done with your parents' permission. Okay? Anyone else? All right. Well, you guys, thank you, and I look forward to possibly working with all of you.